Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Economic activity is expanding at a lackluster pace in the world's largest economies, but so far their labour markets are still expanding at a robust pace. Late Friday, data from China showed their private services PMI expanded marginally in October, but little change from September. Business activity across their service sector is still subdued, with a further slowdown in new order growth, which was their weakest in 2023 so far. In staying in China, they released their balance of payments data Friday too. That showed outflows of foreign direct investment in the country have exceeded inflows for the first time since 1998. FDI shrank by $12 billion in the quarter, with more withdrawals and downsizing than new investments for factory construction and other purposes. In the US, the main weekend headline news was that total non-farm payroll employment increased by 150,000 in October, and the unemployment rate was little changed at 3.9%. That was lower than the expected 180,000 gain for October. Meanwhile, the widely watched American ISM Services PMI reports an easing to its lowest level in 5 months. In Canada, their unemployment rate rose to 5.7% in October from 5.5% the previous month, the highest since January 2022 and above market expectations. What payroll growth they did get was low quality. In Australia, retail sales rose a very minor 0.9% in September from August, up 2% from a year ago in value terms. But that belies a very weak background. Meanwhile, the Australian Prime Minister is in Beijing today to meet President Xi. Interestingly, he holds important cards for China, so it is likely to be more of a meeting of equals than usual. China reinforced its desire to join the CPTPP, but Australia was non-committal. Japan has already said it opposes China's entry into the membership, and membership requires unanimous agreement. To back off its trade pressure, China will require Australia's support. The US Treasury 10-year yield is down sharply from Friday, but up 2 basis points from Saturday, and a small recovery to 4.58%. There's still a bond market rally underway. And the price of gold will start the week at $1,992 an ounce, and up $1 from this time Saturday. And oil prices have stabilised lower, up 50 US cents from Saturday to just on $80.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just on $85 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 60 US cents, up more than a cent from Friday on a slumping greenback, and a little more from Saturday. A week ago, it was 58.2 US cents. Against the Aussie, we're firmer at 92.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also firmer at 55.9 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 69.4. This is 110 basis points higher than a week ago and a 3-week high. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again